Hi, I'm Jensen from GRM Electrical, and today we're at our new office with Professional Electrician magazine. This is our new office, and unfortunately for us, we haven't got the option for gas here. So we need a new water supply heater that's going to run solely on electric. This Stiebel Eltron new instantaneous water heater is a 3-phase unit, and just look at the size of it. It's absolutely tiny, and it's going to be able to power us, the basins in the toilets, the kitchen taps, and potentially a shower if we decide to go with that. I'm going to open the box up now and take a look at it, but as I said before, it is a tiny unit. Make sure you hit that like button and subscribe. There we go. So we've got the instantaneous water heater mounted up. It's been plumbed in already by the plumber, and obviously today we've just ran in the electrical supply to it. As you can see, which is quite important with the 3-phase model, you've got your earth, L1, L2 and L3, and it doesn't require a neutral. So it's just a little bit of information to take on really if you're going to install one yourself. So you can go for the 4-core as opposed to a 5-core cable. With this model, you've obviously got various options, which are the 18, 21 and 24 kilowatt, which you can change internally here, which I'll show you exactly how to do that in a second. But yeah, all in place. I've decided to go with the 24 kilowatt. All we need to do now is just get that connected up at the board and switch it on. So, as you can see, it's on, it's installed, and to be honest with you, it's probably one of the easiest 3-phase water heaters I've ever installed. So it's got 3i technology, which gives it maximum temperature efficiency. It comes with a high safety level because anti-scalding protection can be permanently activated. It's also got long-term reliability with more than 10 years consistent performance. As soon as you put it on, it comes up with the 40 degrees Celsius to start with, and it's literally up and down. So you can drop it down, take it up. I think it's up to max 60. I'm going to sort of go mid-range. I'm going to set it on 50. And yeah, then we can try the taps downstairs. Before we go downstairs and actually try this out for the first time and turn on those hot water taps, I just need to stress, you know, the size of it, it's impressive. We could have installed this up here, down below, next to the basins. We've decided to go with up here mainly because this is sort of a storage area in the commercial unit, and it's basically not going to get touched, it's not going to get messed with by anyone, so we can set the exact temperature we want up here, and it's going to stay that way until one of us comes up and changes it. So first time turning it on. Oh, I've actually got to press the lever. Wow. Wow. That is quick, I'll give it that. Yeah, I am very impressed with that. Not quite sure how to use this tap. Yeah, boiling hot water almost straight away. That's incredible. How easy was that? One of the key factors of this model from Stiebel Eltron is that it's a bare wire heater as opposed to the old-fashioned sort of style tubular heaters. Now, with those type of heaters, you do get a lot of problems with limescale buildup, mainly due to the temperatures and what temperatures they run at. Whereas with this one, with it not being a consistent high temperature and there being constant running water through it, it reduces the amount of limescale to pretty much 0. It's got the option of being 18, 21 or 24 kilowatt. We've decided to go with the 24 kilowatt setting, so we've pulled in the cable size that we need for that just to cover us so we can maximize our options. But if we did want to change it, everything is changeable with inside this unit. Obviously the unit cover comes off, and inside you've got a little description of how to change it. Very easy to change that between the 3 settings. One of the main factors that sort of drew me to this is it's very attractive for developers and landlords. There's 0 maintenance really required in it, so you don't have to have your annual servicing done. The other thing about it, I did want to stress that it's got an A rating on your EPC energy rating, which realistically for something like this is unbelievable. So that's us wrapped up on our Stiebel Eltron instantaneous water heater. As you can see, the heater actually mounted behind us The size of the board is what the guys working on site were expecting the water heater to be. So it literally looks like a tiny fleck on that board. It's up, it looks good. And now we have got reliable hot water to 2 small basins in the men's and women's toilets. And we've also got a kitchen sink with hot water as well. And we have obviously got the opportunity to add in a shower at any point during this. Just to add in, there is obviously other options in the range, and they do a single phase similar type of water heater, so please go online and check those out. But for me and for now, thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button.